All right. All right, gentlemen, we are live. All right. Y'all ready to have a good time?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. Hey, Stevie, let's first introduce our guests. We got a couple of state champions in the house. Maybe a couple other guys will hop on in. But right now, I'd like you all to introduce yourselves. Ricardo.
Hello, everyone. My name's Ricardo Ochoa. I compete in 3A. I'm from Mission Collegiate High School, and I'll be attending MIT next year.
And you're a multiple-time state champion.
Yes, sir. 6 times now.
Wow. What'd you win this year?
Mathematics, number sense, and calculator applications.
Wow, in the Class 3A rank.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome, Ricardo. I'm happy to have you here, man. And in the house from Allen High School, Powerhouse Allen High School, Anthony. Anthony, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Anthony. I'm from Allen High School, which is 6A. And I'll be attending Carnegie Mellon University this fall.
Oh, wow. Hey, and you're the state champion, 6A in calculator, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Awesome. So we got some powerhouses in the house, and they're both seniors, so we'll be missing them next year. They're both seniors, headed off to MIT, headed off to Carnegie Mellon, some great institutions. Gentlemen, I'm very happy you've joined us, and we're going to have a great time tonight. All right. This is a live stream, and the whole purpose of a live stream is to get engagement. I want to hear your voices out there. So there's a couple of ways to get involved. I want you can easily chime in the chat. Make sure you, if you don't have anything to say, just say hi. I'm a proud bear. I'm a proud eagle. Whatever you might be, say hi. Show some pride in your school. Show some pride in your community, and chime in. If you want to give some positive support to some of the state champions, that's great. We want to hear your voice. Another way to contribute is to call in at the Discord. So you'll see that a running ticker gives you a way to join our Discord, and you can always call in. So, gentlemen, Anthony, Ricardo, what are your thoughts of the state meet 2024?
So, I think that the calculator test was definitely state level. It's about the difficulty that I did expect going into it. I cannot say the same for the math test. I think you'll see a pattern along these results from 1A to 6A as we go on. You see a big decrease from region to states in math. I believe there are only a few scores over 300 this time. Whereas in district, I remember there was some perfect scores. So I was like 344s, 320s. And I believe the same is true for number sense as well. I think there's only like 2 or 3 300s, and I believe they're mainly in 6A and 5A.
All right, so it was a very tough test, challenging, and really separated the top guys. Good stuff. Anthony, what are your initial thoughts about the state meet 2024?
Well, okay, so first of all, for number sense, I think number sense probably around the same difficulty as region, maybe a bit harder. I guess some might say it was a bit easier. I mean, I think it was probably around the same difficulty as region, the state test for number sense. For calculator, I actually thought that state was easier than region. And I think for calculator, I think a lot of scores, at least in 6A, actually went up from region. I'm not sure if that's just like a difference between classifications or something. And as for Gen Math, I don't think I can really speak to the difficulty on that since I didn't compete.
Sure. Wow. I did hear Dr. David Burrell, the calculator state director, once say that the way he generates the test, there shouldn't be any more difficulty from one to the other. That's what I remember distinctly hear him saying one time. But there's variations, and what people think are difficult may not be, and that's good. All right. So how was the environment? Was it an electric environment in the state contest rooms?
Oh, for sure. Before and after the tests, I would talk with some of my competitors there. So after, I believe it was the math test, I went over to talk with Brennan Ashley.
Yeah.
Or actually, no, that was beforehand. Afterwards, while we were still in our seats, me and him were kind of doing like sign language to communicate. Like I was like 42. Like that's how many I had answered on the test. I believe he answered the same amount as me. Afterwards, I also talked with Carter Tucker about the math test. I think us three all answered 42, like exactly 42 on the math test. And even besides like talking about the test, I did get to meet with a lot of competitors from across the state. Someone asked me to sign their yearbook at state, which I was really honored about. That's never happened to me before at one of these competitions. I took a few photos of some people, and so in general, like I was really happy with the social atmosphere here at state, and that's to be expected.
Hey, I just noticed hopping in on the live stream is Swam Gupta, Goose Creek Memorial Patriot. Say hi, Swam. Introduce yourself.
Hi, everyone. I'm Swam. Yeah.
All right. Hey, and he's been a monster in Class 5A Region 3 the last few years, and it's great to have you here, man. Oops. Sorry, guys. You see me? I'm sorry, I just hit something. I got so excited as Swam got on the live stream, I couldn't control myself. I bumped over my camera.
Yeah, sorry I'm late. Our top 10 stuff ran like a lot later than it's supposed to.
It's okay, Swam. I just appreciate you being here, and let's have a good time, okay?
Yeah.
So, Ricardo, Anthony, Swam, you all ready? Here's the plan. We're going to go through topic. We're going to go through number sense. I'll check the live chat, the Discord. We'll go to calculator. Check the live chat, Discord. Same thing with mathematics and science. And I heard your voices last time. We will go through computer science as well. Hey, I always should have gone through computer science. Computer science is beautiful. It's wonderful. I'm actually certified to teach computer science, guys. So it's not one of the traditional TMCA events, like when you go to the TMCA meet in San Antonio. So I just kind of like neglected it. But computer science, I've heard your voices. We'll go over computer science too. Gentlemen, Swam, did you have any thoughts about the state meet you want to share before we get started?
I feel like I did like math was great. Like it went good. Yeah. Calculator was very something. It was something. Yeah, and shout out to Anthony for getting like the new record, highest score at a state meet. That was nice.
Is that a record, really?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it's the highest score at state ever.
Anthony, you didn't say that. Wow, I applaud you, man. We got some stars now. Hey, and to your point, Ricardo, you all are the rock stars. You all are the big men on campus. That's what it is all about. This channel is to give you more exposure, I hope. And you all are the rock stars, and you all deserve it. You deserve it. You work hard, and it is my pleasure to highlight academic success, academic accomplishment, and you guys are representative of that. Guys, are you ready to start talking about number sense? Let's go for it. So, I'll go through the first 6 results, the top 6 per classification, and the top teams. And then we'll pause, talk about it, check the live chat and Discord. So, number sense 1A. We start off immediately. Hold on, let me get this. We start off immediately with Luke Maxwell. He accomplished a feat only rarely ever accomplished before. It is the 3rd time in history that we have a 4-time number sense state champion. 4 times. I think Larry White commented, Director White commented that Jeff Draper did it, then Oscar Santos, and now Luke Maxwell. You know, I know his mom, I know the grandpa, they're very, very proud, and rightly they should be proud. What an accomplishment. 4 times number says state champion class 1A. Congratulations, Luke Maxwell. Second place, James Miller. Third place, Will Hairston from Bellevue. Fourth place, Presley Jost from Garden City. Fifth place, Chloe Birkenfield from Nazareth. And sixth place, Victor Ortiz from Nippa. And Class 1A team, state champions, Garden City. Second place, Jonesboro. Okay, 2A number sense. First place, state champion, Cody Carter. He called in last time from Mart. Cody, let's get you an interview, man. You are now a state champion. Congratulations, Cody Cardwell from Mart. Congratulations. If you're listening, say hi in the chat, and let's get you an interview, state champion. Second place, Kaysen Parker from Shelbyville. Third place, Aiden Bittner from Olney. Fourth place, Hayden Powell from Sundown. Fifth place, Hall Hess from Munster. Sixth place, Malachi Sierra from Shelbyville. That's in 2A number sense. Team, first place state championship team is Shelbyville with the team score of 385 and Olney in second place. 3A number sense. Oh, this name looks familiar. Ricardo Ochoa from Mission Collegiate with the first place. Congratulations. Garrett Woodall from Gladewater Sabine in second place. Alyssa Waller from Gladewater Sabine. Keegan Holloman from Wichita Falls City View. Luke Davis from Nacogdoches Central Heights. And sixth place, Enrique Alba from Mission Collegiate. Great. Hey, Gladewater Sabine, I think they got the team. Gladewater Sabine, Keith Taylor and company doing some wonderful work. By the way, I wanted to mention their summer camp. I did a video on their summer camps. And so they'll have a summer camp that's supposed to be very, very good this summer. Mission Collegiate, second place. 4A number sense. Rohan Parthapon from Dallas Science Engineering. Andrew Mai from Dallas Talented and Gifted. Stacy Zhang, Port Lavaca Calhoun. Fourth place, Stephen Livingston, friend of the channel from Dallas Science Engineering. Fifth place, Luke Dragala. I've said that name many times throughout the years. From Salado. Sixth place, Tesfa Tay from Dallas Talented and Gifted. And the 4A state champions, Dallas Science Engineering Magnet. Awesome, awesome. Second place, Dallas Talented and Gifted. 5A, number sense. Now, Piyush Malik. I don't know this young man. Like, I have never interacted with him, but I would love to get him on my channel. I'd love to do an interview with him. Congratulations, Piyush, with an impressive 315 in number sense. Second place, Nathaniel Puomala from Corpus Christi Flower Bluff. Third place, Eric Tong from Grapevine. Fourth place, Jeffrey Cutshaw from Corpus Christi Flower Bluff. Fifth place, Kyle Shu from Corpus Christi Flower Bluff. And sixth place, Agnev Sarkar from Frisco Heritage. Hey, there goes Brennan Ashley in seventh place from Hallsville. And the 5A state championship team, Corpus Christi Flower Bluff. All right, and second place is Grapevine, third place Hallsville. 6A, Justin Lai, friend of the channel. Justin Lai, I'm going to miss him. I missed Dylan Patel last year. I'm going to miss Justin Lai. There's some great individuals. From Fort Bend Clements takes first place. Second place, Joseph Abenoja from Edinburgh North. Third place, Edgar Lemus from Edinburgh North. Fourth place, Krishan Gupta from Conroe The Woodlands. Fifth place, Spencer Liu from Dallas Highland Park. Sixth place, Alex Zhang from Plano West. Hey, Warth. And then Warth is in seventh place from Allen. First place team, Edinburgh North. Hey, Edinburgh North, you listening? Let's get a team interview, man. I'd love to get a team interview with you guys. Second place, Fort Bend Clements, then Dallas Highland Park. All right, guys. That is number sense. Ricardo, any initial thoughts?
So first off, I want to congratulate Edinburgh North for taking first place team for number sense. I know that's something they're really gunning for, and for having the second and third place individual in 6A. That's a really big accomplishment. I'm so happy for Edgar and Joseph and the gang.
Yes. Mr. Garza,
Also,
coach.
yeah. I'm also. I know you've already touched on this, but it's still like a really crazy accomplishment with Luke Maxwell in 1A, four-time number sense state champion. It's crazy. And considering that he jumped 50 points from region, I believe he scored a 256. I have some notes here. He had a 256 at state and a 206 at region. And on a test where I saw a lot of people drop down from region, he went up 50 points. So I think that's really impressive.
A
Cody
quick note about Luke. I think he was working with Dennis Cabanas. Dennis Cabanas was a legendary coach at Salado for many, many years. He still might be a coach over there. But that might have helped him out a little bit too. But he's just awesome. I'm sorry, continue.
Cody Cardwell in 2A. I have seen him a lot on the Discord server. He's very active. So I'm glad to see a familiar face win it for 2A.
Awesome.
And for 3A.
I don't know about that 3A guy.
Yeah, that 3A guy. I kind of maintained like the same score as I got in region. I had a 221 at region, scored a 220 at state, which I was pretty happy about. I was kind of worried at the state test because I thought that I had missed quite a lot, but it was enough to get me the first place. It was close though. Garrett Woodall was just, I think, 3 questions away. He had a 201.
All right. Hey, Anthony, what are your thoughts?
Well, I don't really have much to add beyond what Ricardo said. Shout out to Edinburgh North for getting first place. That's honestly incredible. Yeah, that's that's honestly really awesome. And shout out Cody as well, for winning 2A. Congrats to Ricardo as well for winning 3A. And shout out to Piyush for getting the highest score across all classifications, I believe, with 315. His performance is extremely impressive, also considering that he's only a sophomore, I think. So,
Awesome
huge
stuff.
congrats to him.
Awesome stuff. Swam, you got anything to add?
Yeah, I was gonna say what Anthony said about how like Piyush did amazing, like considering he's a sophomore and everything, still like the highest score in math and number sense across all classifications was really impressive. And then again, like both of them said, Edinburgh North winning number sense, that was great. Yeah.
I love the comments. Let me add, what makes me happy is Justin Lai going out as a state champion, man. Justin Lai has been incredible the last few years. I've played a couple of chess games with him at local tournaments when I come across him. And I'm just so happy he goes out as a state champion. Very great sense of humor, funny guy, nice guy. I really enjoy him. Congratulations to Justin Lai as well. Hey, let's take a quick look at the chat and see if we got any action. All right, we got some people chiming in. Wareth, Carson Winter's already in the waiting room. Oh, we'll get Carson Winter in here. Number sense state being similar, region difficulty crazy. Hey, Adele Bosma. Ricardo signed my yearbook. All right, that's the sweet young lady that was in our co-hosted last time. All right, let's take a look. Just turned in for Cody. Hey, Cody got a little bit of a fan club. Hey, you got some love here too, Swam. Swam, my goat. All right, good stuff. Please chime in, and let's take a look at the Discord. Let's take a look. And Carson Winter. So let me switch him into the live room. Move to the live room. And let me get in there. And what's up, Carson Winter? Can't hear you. You're on mute.
Hello?
Hey, Carson Winter, good to have you on board, man. Hey, Conroe Grand Oaks, Mathematics State Champions. You all did incredible. That's a new name. You all did incredible. Congratulations.
Yeah, I am happy we won state in something. We came here to win in math, and that's what we did. So,
Well done, Carson. Hey, what are your thoughts on the state meet?
I mean, I thought it was okay. You're going to have a laugh once we get to computer science and all that. Yeah, I did okay. Not super happy with how I did in math, but my teammates did well.
Hey, you did well enough to get a state title with the team.
Yeah.
You're coming back. How's it going to be next year?
I mean, I don't know. I don't know about our third teammate because Dominic leaving is going to hurt. I'd like to get some stuff individually, like actually make it to state in number since this year. That kind of hurt.
All right.
And then hopefully take some more titles or placements, I guess.
Hey, well, you and Ivan Liu make a formidable pair, and who knows, maybe somebody else will step up at Conroe Grand Oaks.
All right. Yeah. Elkins in particular is who I'm worried about for math next year, in all honesty.
Hey, Eric Lee, man. Eric Lee and Bunch, they're good. So you want to shout out your coach and teammates?
I guess, sure. Dominic, he won state, which is crazy. I was not expecting that, but good job to him. That definitely helped us win team. And then Ivan is probably the best 10th grader I've seen. I mean, that's what TMSCA State says at least.
Yeah, top gun.
Yeah, I think he'll be even stronger next year. He's definitely going to take some titles as well.
Hey, y'all got some good stuff happening. Hey, Coach Gil Walters, man. He's incredible.
Yeah. He is. He's got the stuff we need to... He's got the giant manual, he got access to the Number Sense Bible, as I like to call it, the Brian Heath booklet. So yeah, he's got everything we need for someone else to come. We just got to find someone who's able to do it.
All right. Hey, anything else for us, Carson?
I guess the one thing, have you seen the computer science results yet?
I just kind of briefly scanned them. Why? What do you got to say about them?
Well, you'll realize once you get to 6A.
All right. I'll keep a note.
All right, cool.
Hey, Carson, I really appreciate you calling in. Congratulations. Y'all are great. And I hope you enjoy it. I hope the whole school, I hope they advertise you. I hope they blow it up.
We kind of got outclassed by volleyball, to be honest, because we won state in... Grand Oaks won state volleyball, so that's all anyone talks about in terms of state. But
they took your shine. Oh no!
Hey, it's fine though. We got our own internal recognition and stuff. And Dominic and Evan got to show off at graduation. So.
And Texas Math Mundo is calling you guys out for being state champions, man.
Yeah, I'll take that.
All right, congratulations. Thanks for calling in, buddy. Thanks for calling.
All right.
Take care. All right. Good stuff. All right, gentlemen. Let's go on to calculator. You ready? Let's do calculator. And so, let me blow it up. And this is your domain, Anthony. But let me start with the smaller classifications first. All right. Calculator. 1A, Benjamin Burke from Newcastle. Ashley Taylor from Newcastle as well, second place. Edgar Perianes from Hartley, third place. Fourth place, Caden Rogers from Newcastle dominating. Fifth place, Maricela Soto from Hartley. Sixth place, Brooke Alver from Hartley. And the 1A calculator team, by a mile, comfortably, is Newcastle. Second place, Hartley. 2A calculator. Carter Tucker, state champion. I'm happy to see it. First place from Latexo. Cody Cardwell, second place. Man, Cody, he's a force to reckon with. From Mart, Mohammed Assad from Latexo, third place. Fourth place, Jonathan Cruces from Three Rivers. Fifth place, Ociel Rodriguez from Three Rivers. Sixth place, Camden Clayball from Ropesville Ropes. And the team in 2A is Latexo for a second year in a row. Closely behind that is Three Rivers. 3A calculator. It's a tie. Laney Hood and Ricardo Ochoa. Laney Hood from Canadian. Hey, do you know who Laney Hood was? Did you get to see him or her, Ricardo?
Yeah. She actually sat in front of me at the calculator award ceremony.
Okay, so it's
So
a
I got to
she.
congratulate her on her first place title.
Hey, do you know what grade she's in?
I believe she's a senior, but I'm not entirely sure.
Okay. Well, congratulations to both of y'all. Wow, with a 315. Third place, Michael Taylor from Gladewater Sabine. Fourth place, Nicholas Ochoa, your brother from Mission Collegiate. Fifth place, Garrett Woodall from Gladewater Sabine. And sixth place, Joe Pepper from Tatum. And the 3A team champion is Mission Collegiate. Man, you all in Gladewater Sabine just go back and forth. They got number sense, you got calculator. Y'all just going back and forth. Second place, Gladewater Sabine. 4A calculator, Justin Wynn, Dallas Science Engineering. Stephen Livingston, second place, Dallas Science Engineering. Third place, Ty Castro from Salado. Fourth place, Paige Ferris. I've called that name quite a few times, from Salado. Fifth place, Carter Boyd from Longview Spring Hill. Sixth place, Matthew Cabanas from Salado. And the team goes to Dallas Science Engineering. Hey, Dallas Science Engineering had themselves a great meet. They're very, very strong. Not too far from behind, though, is Salado. 5A, calculator applications. Caroline Duffenbaugh, 329. Was that like one of the top scorers in the state? From Argyle. Second place, Nathaniel Puamala from Corpus Christi Flower Bluff. Third place, Matthew Medina from Canutillo. Fourth place, Brennan Ashley from Hallsville. Fifth place, Daniel Ramirez from Sherilyn Pioneer. And sixth place, Swam Gupta, Goose Creek Memorial Patriots. Good stuff, Swam.
Thank you.
Breaking at 300, man. That's air I'll never breathe. And first place team in 5A, Argyle, with the 875s. A close second is Corpus Christi Flower Bluff. And 6A, in the house, Anthony Shue from Allen High School with the 341. You said that was a state record, right? The highest ever scored?
Yes, I think 341 is a state record.
Oh my God. Great stuff, Anthony Shue in the house. I'm so happy to have you here. Second place, Spencer Liu from Dallas Highland Park. Third place, Kevin Lopez, Far San Juan Alamo. Fourth place, Eric Lee from Fort Bend Elkins. Fifth place, Michael Zhang from Katy Seven Lakes. And sixth place, Jonathan Garcia from Far San Juan Alamo. And the team state champion in 6A is Far San Juan Alamo. Hey guys, I don't know if you know this. I graduated from PSGA, from Far San Juan Alamo. I'm a PSGA Bear. So that's my old school, winning state champion. Coach Oscar Santos. Some good stuff. Hey, PSGA, I'm a PSGA Bear. Let's do a team interview, man. Let's do a team interview. Reach out to me, Oscar. Reach out to me, Kevin Lopez. Let's do a team interview for you. PSGA Bears, I'm proud of you. And Katy Seven Lakes in second place. All right, guys, calculator. Initial thoughts, Anthony.
Well, first of all, I just want to say congrats to PSJA on getting a 925 team score. That's absolutely insane. That's an average of over 308, which I think is kind of crazy. And they got second place by like 50 points too, which is incredible considering second place is Seven Lakes, which like their team won state last year. Yeah, beyond that, shout out Justin from Science Engineering Magnet for winning 4A. Congrats to Ricardo again for winning 3A. And that's pretty much all I have to say.
Great stuff, Anthony. Great stuff. How about you, Swam?
Yeah, and shout out to Justin for breaking his 301 streak. He had a 301 like for the last, I don't even know how many times, and he finally broke that at state, which is when it counted. And of course, again to Anthony for setting that Calc state record. And yeah, everyone did great on calculator. Calculator was great. Yeah.
Good stuff. Hey, you did too. Hey, top 6, man. You got on stage, Swam. You got on stage.
Yeah.
How about you, Ricky?
So again, I want to say congrats to PSJ for taking top team in 6A. I already knew like they were going to do well at state, but I did not expect that team score. That was really impressive. So
very impressive. Very impressive. Oh, I think we lost you, Ricardo. I think we lost you. Hey,
shout out PSJ.
Oh, there you go.
Also, shout out Benjamin State Champion. He improved a lot from region. He jumped from a 215 to a 273. I think that's the biggest increase, like from this list from region to state that
Who's
I've
this?
seen so
Who's
far.
this? Who?
Benjamin Burke,
Oh.
the 1A calculator state champion.
All right. Hey, I got a couple of notes. One, Carter Tucker, man, state champion, man. He's been battling with Nicholas Ellison the last few years, and he's finally dominating the 2A ranks. So Carter Tucker's worked hard. He deserves it. And so I want to applaud him for sure. Newcastle remains dominant in 1A. And, you know, I'm a PSJ Bear, class of 1990, I must say, class president. PSJ Bears, I'm proud of you. Hey, let's get a team interview. All right, gentlemen, let's take a quick look at the chat, see if we got any more action. And let's take a look. Yeah, Carson Winter, 925 is an insane calculator score. Well, you know, Oscar Santos, their coach, 9-time state champion. Hey, 7 Lakes won sweepstakes. Cool. All right, guys, let's take a look. And let's see if anything's on the Discord. Oh, we got Cody and Juarez, I think. So let's get them both into the live room. Move to live. Cody, move to live. Let's have a talk. All right, gentlemen.
Hey.
All right.
Yeah, myself. What's up?
All right, so let's go one at a time.
Yeah.
Juarez, talk to me. What's on your mind?
Calculator results at the moment.
What's that
Yeah,
word?
I have the VC results pulled up, so I'm kind of just like scrolling through with the thoughts. Like 1A Newcastle, I remember them from last year, like especially with Ashley Taylor, they were completely dominant. I don't think that was much of a surprise, honestly. 2A, obviously we got our calculator runner up here in the chat. So honestly, like really proud of Cody, like for his performance at state. 3A calculator, honestly I don't follow like a lot of the other classifications, so I was surprised when I saw like Ricardo tying. But like obviously Laney had like a really good meet. There's a lot of like close competition there, so it was nice to see that. 4A, I remember because I've been able to talk with the Dallas like SCM guys a couple of times, and I remember their main goal, like especially, was to just beat Salado this year in calculator because Salado got the better of them last year. So I'm really happy that they did that. 5A, I was actually a bit surprised. Just like I feel like between like district and region to state, a lot of the results kind of just like mix themselves up. But I mean, I'm really happy for Caroline that she was able to win Calc. And then also just looking at the team standings, like Argyle barely beating Flowerbuff by like a question. So I found it like really cool how tight that was. And then 6A, you know, of course we have Anthony, you know, breaking the state record. Just want to give a bit of a story on this. It was right before CS programming when we figured out his score. Someone texted it to me, I forgot who. I told Anthony, I'm like, hey, by the way, Calc results are out. You got a 341. This guy just starts laughing because he just cannot believe it.
Funny.
It was great.
Great stuff. Hey, Allen team, now I got two of y'all here. Let's do a team interview, man. I'm kind of putting you guys on the spot. Hey, Juarez.
No, you're good. Anthony, me and Anthony were actually talking about it. Like maybe like we'll try to see if we can coordinate one.
Yes, especially now the summer months are coming. Less stress. You know what I'm saying? Let's talk about it. Y'all are been spectacular, and it'd be my pleasure to put the attention on you, the focus on you, because y'all deserve it. Y'all have worked so hard. Hey, great comments, Warith. Great comments. You got anything else for us?
Not that much. State meet, honestly, like, it still feels kind of unreal that, like, that was my last ever state meet. Because I kind of just, like, went through it. Kind of felt like just an everyday thing. But it was really nice to, like, be at the state meet. Especially meet a lot of people that I just met within the past year through the server. Just meet them face to face, have a lot of laughs with them. So it was really fun.
Beautiful, beautiful. I love that. I love to, like, when y'all, like, have been interacting in the server and then y'all get to the state meeting and get to actually see each other in person. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. Hey, do you want to shout out your coach or your teammates?
Oh, yeah, no, 100%. I mean, obviously, there's a lot of people to shout out. Like, Anthony, I'm going to shout out him. Eric, Blake. Of course, all our other people that made it. Daniel, Andrew, Zafir. I mean, our team is honestly, like, really amazing. We've all known each other for, like, a pretty long time. We have, like we get along with each other really well. So, state meet was really fun. Oh, I forgot to shout out Socking. I got to shout out Socking. Because we had a freshman on our number sense team this year. Really impressed us how well he's done. Really mature guy, really amazing guy. So I hope that he kind of continues what we've been working on this year.
Hey, I was going to ask that because you were a senior, Anthony's a senior. What's going to happen to Alan?
Yeah, we've honestly had a lot of conversations about, like, kind of just joking around, saying that, like, the moment this year ends, Alan's just going to completely collapse. But, like, for the more, like, serious answer, I think Alan, like, we definitely have a chance at, like, at least keeping, just, like, regular state qualifiers just every year. Maybe we won't be as strong as we've been the past few years, but, I mean, I'm excited to see what's going to happen.
All right, good stuff, good stuff. Hey, I appreciate the input, Warith. I appreciate you. All right.
Thank you.
Cody, state champion in the house. Cody, you there?
Yeah,
Yes,
Cody's
sir.
right.
Camera broke.
Oh, your
Wait,
camera
can I
broke.
rejoin? I don't think it's working for me. Can I leave and rejoin real quick?
Hey, we got a few images of you, though. We got a few images of you, but now we got your voice, man. Congratulations, Cody.
Yeah, thank you. Wait, can I leave and rejoin real quick? I think my camera, like, it's messing up.
What's that?
Can I leave and rejoin real quick? I think my
Yeah.
camera's
Let's
messing
do it.
up.
Let's do it. Come on, man. I want to see you. Come on, do it. Leave and rejoin. Cody, state champion. And a lot of good energy, by the way. All right, so I'm going to move him to the live room. Move to live. All right, Cody. Oh, good. We got you.
All right.
Good
Wait.
stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, we lost you. We had you. We lost you. Oh, my God. Hey, what grade are you in, Cody?
I'm a junior.
Oh, so you're coming back.
Yes, sir. I'm excited.
Hey, tell me you're giving me an interview.
I will.
All right,
Just tell
awesome.
me when.
Collect those pictures because I love the pictures, man.
Thank you. I took one. I had one with Warith. That was really nice. And then I had the other three, in front of that UIL wall thing.
All right. Hey, so tell me about your thoughts. Well, how was the state meet? Were you expecting to be a victor, or did it come as a surprise? How does it feel to be a state champion?
Oh, man, it's nice. Every time someone asks me about it, like at my school or something, says, oh, state went really well. I'm like, yeah, I had so much fun. Like, meeting everyone. I hung out with, like, Swam and Ty Bowie, like, more than my own team. It was just so much fun.
Great stuff. Hey, this is your chance to shout out your coach and teammates.
Oh, I definitely got to shout out my coach, Miss Carter, man. I'd still be making, like, 30s if it wasn't for her. Like, I wouldn't be anywhere. And then definitely got to shout out my math teammates. They went to state with me. We wild carded. That was a lot of fun. And then my little brother, too. He's working really hard at number sense. I know he's going to do really well.
Oh, really? What grade's he in?
He's a freshman, Jacob Cardwell.
Oh, okay. Wow. So y'all be together next year?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hey, did you get a chance to meet Adele?
Yes, I did. In the Calc Awards, I ended up doing it.
Oh, awesome. Because I know it says she gave you a lot of support when she co-hosted, so I was kind of curious if you actually got to meet.
Oh, yeah. I met a lot of people. It was just so fun.
That makes it great. That's great. Hey, we're going to be in contact. I sure definitely want to highlight you as a state champion. What else you got for us, Cody?
Oh, man. I had to hop in before y'all show my math score. It was terrible, but I want to thank you.
All right. Hey, well, you're coming back, man.
Yes, sir. I can't wait.
You going to defend that state title in calculator?
I'm hoping for a sweep.
All right. Great. Good stuff. Hey, Cody, I appreciate you calling in.
All right, thank you. I appreciate you for having me.
Hey, absolutely. Hey, maybe you co-host next year.
Oh, I'm hoping. That'd be really nice.
Hey, you're a state champion now. You add that to your resume. That's very impressive. So, and not only that, you look like you got a lot of good energy. So let's get you on here next year.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Awesome. Take care, Cody. I appreciate you.
All right, you too.
Thank you. All right, gentlemen, you ready for math? Let's get math done. So, mathematics. Let's go. And let me start off with the lower classifications. Mathematics. In 1A, Ashley Taylor defends her state title. Congratulations, Ashley, friend of the channel. Very good, Ashley Taylor. From Newcastle, first place, and by a mile. Look at that, by a mile. She handily won the 1A title. Second place, James Miller from Nippa. Third place, Jet Ramirez from Afton Patton Springs. Fourth place, Julian Jimenez from Newcastle. Fifth place, Addison Simper from Moulton. Sixth place, J.J. Cottle from Rankin. And the first place team, comfortably, Newcastle. Congratulations, Newcastle State Champions. 2A, Carter Tucker, first place from Latexo. Second place, Muhammad Assad from Latexo. And Cody, who's just mentioning his math score, of third place from Mart. Fourth place, Madeline Bunch from, there was a tie for fourth place. Madeline Bunch from Plains and Mario Alvarez from Three Rivers. And sixth place, Aiden Bittner from Olney. And the 2A state champion for like the umpteenth time, Latexo, wins it again. Audrey Cravens, congratulations. Carter Tucker, Muhammad Assad, that group is just dominant. I think Carter Tucker is a senior this year, though, so they'll be missing him this next year. 3A, Ricardo Ochoa, first place, state champion from Mission Collegiate. Second place, Michael Taylor, Gladewater Sabine. Third place, as a sophomore, Nicholas Ochoa from Mission Collegiate. Fourth place, Seth Stevens from Tuscola Gymned. Fifth place, Pablo Perez from Dimmitt. And sixth place, Garrett Woodall from Gladewater Sabine. And the 3A state champion, Mission Collegiate. Again, in a tight one with Gladewater Sabine. 4A, Dallas Science Engineering is just so dominant in 4A. Rohan Parthapan from first place. Second place, Justin Nguyen from Dallas Science Engineering. Third place, Luke Dragalia from Salado. Fourth place, Yash Godair from Dallas Science Engineering. And fifth place, Stephen Livingston from Dallas Science Engineering. For the top 5 spots to Dallas Science Engineering. And sixth place, Paige Ferris from Salado. Stacy Zhang from Port Lavaca comes in at 7th. And by a mile, Dallas Science Engineering wins the math over Salado. 5A, Piyush Malik. He had himself a great meet from Grapevine. He's a superstar. I'd like to talk to this young man. He's a superstar. Does anybody know what grade he is in, Piyush?
He's a sophomore.
He's only a sophomore? All right, Piyush.
Yeah, it's really impressive.
Wow. I hope you're listening, Piyush. Agnev Sarkar from Frisco Heritage, second place. Hey, swam. Not bad. Third place from Baytown Goose Creek Memorial. Daniel Ramirez, fourth place from Sherilyn Pioneer. Fifth place, Kyle Zhu from Corpus Christi Flower Bluff. And sixth place, Brendan Ashley from Hallsville. And the 5A state champion in math, Grapevine, Piyush Malik and the bunch. Second place, Corpus Christi Flower Bluff. And 6A mathematics, Warith. We just had a conversation with them on the Discord. Warith, congratulations from Allen. It's a tie. It's a tie with Dominique Hansborough. A tie for first place, Warith and Dominique. Third place, Justin Lai from Fort Bend Clements. Fourth place, Andrew Lee from Dallas Highland Park, last year's state champion. 5th place, Eric Lee from Fort Bend Elkins. And 6th place, Michael Zhang from Katy Seven Lakes. Man, that's a power group right there. And the state champion, this makes me happy to say, Conroe Grand Oaks, coming out of nowhere. That's a name that's new to the scene. I'm a non-traditional powerhouse team. So Conroe Grand Oaks, congratulations. Gil Walters, Ivan Liu, Dominique, Carson. What a group they have over there. That's a great group. Congratulations to Conroe Grand Oaks. 2nd place, Dallas Highland Park, edging out Fort Bend Clements. All right. Ricardo, state champion. What are your thoughts?
So I already mentioned this at the beginning of the live stream, but I did think that math was pretty tough this time around. You see it in a lot of the scores. There was a big drop. Though, specifically, I do want to shout out Priyush Malik. I think he had the highest score of the meet, 330, as a sophomore, right?
A sophomore.
That's crazy.
Wow.
Shout outs to Conroe Grand Oaks. They were right in front of us during the math award ceremony, and I could feel like the energy that they had, not just when Dominic had tied for first, but also when their team won first place. I'd say they're probably like the underdogs of 6A, and they finally pulled through with a state championship title. I'm really proud of that team.
Exactly.
And one more shout out. I do want to shout out my brother real quick.
Yeah.
He placed 3rd as a sophomore in 3A. Couldn't be more proud. I know that he's going to do well with the team next year once I leave. So I think his place...
Uh-oh, you broke out, Ricardo. All right. Maybe he'll get back. We'll get back. Hey, Anthony, what are your thoughts?
So I will say the first person I'm going to shout out is my teammate, Warith Rahman. Him getting first place, I was honestly really happy for him. I know he's worked really hard at UIL. I mean, not just this year, but for the past 4-6 years, including middle school, and I'm extremely proud.
Awesome.
And also, Grand Oaks winning 6A Matt. As Ricardo said, I think they were kind of the underdog. So, and yes, you could really feel their energy when they said. I think they said Highland Park was 2nd. You could really feel their energy since they knew they had one team at that point. It was pretty incredible. Obviously, shout out to Piyush for getting the highest score across all classifications. And so although I didn't take Matt, I remember after awards, or I guess before awards, I got a copy of Ward's test. And I went to the back and started working through the questions, and I could not get any of the last 3 or 4 questions. So, I mean, yeah, I think the test was probably hard. So, I mean, Warith does not claim the test was hard, but I personally think if I were to have taken it, I would have thought it was hard. So, yeah, again, congrats Warith on getting first place. That's incredible.
Great shout out, Anthony. Great shout out. Swam.
Yeah, I mean, you could really see through this math, even the math test was really it was pretty hard, relative to other math tests, but you can still see in 6A you still needed a 306 to place, I think, but in 5A it was a 250. The drop off was you could see it, the difference between 5A and 6A. And then again, shout out to Warith and Dominic for both winning 6A math, and to Grand Oaks for getting their math state title, and then SEM for continuing their 4A domination. Yeah. That was nice. And then again to Piyush for his amazing performance at state this year. It was crazy.
Good stuff. Ashley Taylor repeats as the 1A state champion. Carter Tucker, Latexo is just dominant. Hey, Director Cliff McCurdy's not playing around, man. He's making these tests tough, apparently. Director Cliff McCurdy is doing one hell of a job, so it's good stuff. All right. Ricardo, did you want to finish your thought? You got broke up last time.
Yeah, my internet connection's really unstable right now. Can you tell me where I left off?
You know, I forgot. That's all right. That's all right, Ricardo. You had some good insight. Let's take a look at the live chat. See if we got anything going on. Let's see. Glad Nicholas Ellison is well known here. I forgot where we left off. Some good stuff on the chat, guys. I love the interaction on the chat. Good stuff. Keep it up. Say hi. Hey, if you're a little shy, don't be shy. Just give a shout out to your hometown. Give a shout out to your school. Say hi. Good. All right. And let's see if anything's on the Discord. Oh, we got hey, wait up. Tell me this is Piyush. On the Discord. This is a young man I've been wanting to talk to. Is that you, Piyush?
Stable right now. Can you tell me where I left off?
Hey, what's up, Mr. Cantu?
Hey, is this you, Piyush Malik? I got a brief glimpse of you.
Yes, pretty exciting.
So this is Piyush.
Take a look at the.
How's it going?
It's going alright. I don't know. I have, a few AP exams left, but after UIL, I'm mostly just chilling.
And you're Piyush.
Yep, that's me.
Wow, I'm so impressed with you, man. You're out of control. You're and only a sophomore. Let me applaud you, dude. I'm in awe of your academic prowess. You're just like a stud. You're a stud, man. You're just a stud. That's all there is to it, man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey, what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts about the state meet? How do you feel about being so dominant?
I don't know. I wasn't really expecting to get, I wasn't really expecting this performance in general math and number sense, but I did spend a lot of time on prepping for this tournament, and, UIL really means a lot to me, so I'm very happy that I got first place.
Hey, I'm happy for you, and I'm feeling some very good energy from you, man. How's that Grapevine team? Is that Grapevine team got some good energy? You got some good coaches and classmates you want to do a shout out?
Yeah, the Grapevine team is really passionate about what we do. Shout out to Mr. Bristow, our math and number sense coach, and our UIL director. Shout out to Eric Tong, Jonathan Wang, Andrew Moon, and Darren Yang.
Wow, that's a good bunch. Hey, so how hard do you study?
I study quite a bit for this. I would say, closer to the thing, I do 1 or 2 tests, per day. But, I work a lot of developing, programs. But, yeah, in general, I don't commit too much time throughout the school year, just closer to the actual, tournaments. And, also knowing Calc and stats helps.
Hey, you're on the top of the mountain now. You're the target. So next year, you got to defend are you going to defend your titles next year?
Yeah, next year I'm going to watch out. So, yeah, I'm going to do my best to defend my title. As long as there aren't any cracked freshmen coming in.
You're going to win by a wider margin next year.
I sure hope so.
Hey, Piyush, give me an interview, man. Give me an interview. I want to highlight you. You're so dominant. I like your energy. You're going to give me an interview?
Yeah, I'd like to do that over the summer. I know you wanted to interview us last year, but kind of my other teammates.
I understand. Hey, man. Hey, I'm so happy you called in. I'm so happy, Piyush. Hey, you got any other words for us? You got anything else for us? Uh-oh, Piyush. I think his connection kind of died out a bit. Oh, but I'm so happy he called in. I was curious about this young man. I was so curious. When I saw his name on the Discord, I was so curious. Piyush, it seems like we lost your connection. I do appreciate you calling. You're a stud. I applaud you. And let's get that interview going, man. All right, cool. Time to disconnect that. Hey, I'm happy he called. All right. So, Piyush, congratulations. Gentlemen, you ready to go to science? Science is interesting because usually you get new names. So let's do this. And let me scroll up. All right. Science. 1A, Kristen Burkett from Avery, first place, state champion. Second place, Stefano Tagliaferri from O'Donnell. Third place, there was a tie for second place, James Miller from Nippa. Fourth place, Ollie Heatley from Vernon Northside. Fifth place, Brianna Ackley from Avery. And sixth place, Raj Bhakta from Wheeler Kelton. And the 1A state champion in science is Avery, with Nippa coming in second. 2A science, first place state champion Bryson Klein from Lockney. Second place, Isaiah Seymour from El Dorado. Third place, Connor Childs from Northwest Steel Early College. Fourth place, Pratt McLean from Grover. Fifth place, Raul Iglesias from El Dorado. And sixth place, Ricky Romo from El Dorado. And the 2A state championship team is El Dorado with Northwest Steel Early College coming in second. 3A science, Lainey Hood. I've heard that name before. This Lainey Hood young lady is very, very smart. Wow. First place, state champion in science. Second place, Carl Fry from Gladewater Sabine. Third place, this Ricardo Ochoa guy. He's pretty smart too. Mission Collegiate. Fourth place, Navy Martinon from Brownsville Idea Frontier College Prep. Fifth place, Case Schiller from Paris Chisholm. And sixth place, Ethan Hogan from Tuscola Gymned. That's actually a tie for sixth place with Seth Stevens from Tuscola Gymned as well. And the state champion, Tuscola Gymned, beating out Gladewater Sabine in 3A science. Wow, they do science in Gladewater. All right, 4A, Joshua Casimir from Needville, first place state champion. Second place, Constantine Savon from Huffman Hargrave. Third place, Angel Ibarra from Lafayette. Fourth place, Fatima Smadi from Lindale. Fifth place, Atticus Dodd from Gilmer. And sixth place, David Ramos from Lafayette. And the 4A state champion, Lafayette. Hey, I think they're a legendary coach, Romaldo Guerrero. Legendary coach. I think he's retiring this year. I think so. What a way to go out as state champion science team. Legendary coach from Lafayette, Romaldo Guerrero. Congratulations going out as a state champion. Wonderful. Second place, Dallas Talented and Gifted. 5A Science, Jason Z from Frisco Liberty. First place, state champion. Second place, Jenny Wang from Frisco Liberty. Third place, Sahasrad Shippa from Frisco Lebanon Trail. Fourth place, Sebastian Lehman from Friendswood. Fifth place, Justin Jones from Argyle. Sixth place, Brooks Bryant from Lamar Fulshire. And the 5A state champion, Frisco Liberty. Congratulations with Argyle coming in second place. And 6A Science, Luke Ting from Dallas Highland Park, first place, very handily. Second place, Eric Yang from Allen. Third place, Mayank Kanduri from Katie Tompkins. Fourth place, Christopher Doe from Mansfield Lake Ridge. Fifth place, Warith Rahman from Allen. And the state champion, Dallas Highland Park, not too far behind is Allen. All right, that's science, gentlemen. Science. So, Anthony, any thoughts on science?
Yeah, so I think science, this time around, the test was definitely harder than district or region. I think it was also pretty easy to make mistakes. I think a lot of people on this test ended up missing a lot of questions, myself included. I ended up missing 7 questions when usually at region I missed 2. So yeah. As for shoutouts, I wanted to shout out Christopher Doe from Mansfield Lake Ridge. He actually got a perfect score in chemistry.
Wow.
With a 108. 2 questions were thrown out because there was no correct answer. But yeah, congratulations, Christopher, on being the chem goat. I also, I guess I want to point out that Luke Ting's 300 is incredible. On this test in particular, I believe his split was 100 in bio, 102 in chem, and 98 in physics, which is, I mean, that's about as balanced as you can get. And I mean, he is incredible. He was the Allen team's nemesis. Well, not nemesis, rival, whatever. For a pretty long time, but I mean, a 300 on this science test is absolutely insane. So congrats to him on that.
Great commentary. Great commentary. Swam, any thoughts on science?
Yeah, I mean, there was the highest bio score was in 2A at 106. That was surprising. And then there was Laney Hood Crockery in 3A. That was, yeah. And then like what Anthony said, Luke Ting's 300 was like, especially with being like an all around split, was also like really cool.
Yes.
And he's made like, he also had like a as close to a perfect score as you can get. He had a 354 on district, which is just insane.
It is insane. Hey, we gotta get that Laney girl on this program. If anybody knows her, if anybody's hearing, let her know, man. We need to get her an interview. Good stuff, Swam. How about you, Ricardo?
So I do want to shout out Laney Hood, Carl Fry, and Navy. I actually sat next to Carl and Navy during the state science test. And Navy's also from the Valley, Brownsville Idea.
Oh.
We all placed top 4. And again, I want to wish like a big congratulations to Laney Hood. Not just winning calculator, but also science. It's a really impressive feat. She's improved a lot over like the last few years. And I'll say this, going into this test, I had a very strong feeling that Laney was going to take the state championship.
Really?
And she did not disappoint. Her region and district scores have been really high. I believe she had a higher score than anyone in 4A as well. So she is really impressive. And also, Luke Ting's 300 was crazy. And also shout out to La Feria, state champion team from the Valley.
Yeah, Romaldo Guerrero, man. What a way to go out. If he is indeed retiring. That's what I heard. Hey, good stuff, guys. Let's take a quick look at the chat. All right, some good stuff. Keep on interacting on the chat, guys. And let's take a quick look at the Discord. Oh, we got Logan J. All right, let's move it to the live. And I think I don't know if somebody made a fake name for Piyush or he's coming back under a different name. Let's take a look. And let me hop in there. All right.
Oh, there he is.
All right.
Hey, what's going on?
Logan, you're from Lavernia, right?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I appreciate. Hey, so how you doing, man? What are your thoughts? Were you at the state meet?
Yes, sir. I was only there for a day, which is kind of unfortunate, but it was still a lot of fun. I met a lot of great people. I met Justin, Shrihan, Rohan. I met Hong from 2A. It was really nice. Got a lot of good people.
What event were you competing in?
This time it was just computer science, but I'm thinking about doing some more math stuff next year. We'll see how it goes.
All right. So what were your thoughts, man? Did you enjoy it?
Oh yeah, no, I had a great time. Like, it was just fun meeting everyone like that I've been talking to on Discord for like the past couple months. But it was like we were in the room and like after the test was over, we were like cracking jokes and stuff, and like we had this big debate on like one of the questions on like whether it was this number or it was that number. And it was kind of funny, but yeah.
Hey, that's part of the fun. Part of the fun is like getting into debates and talking about it.
Exactly.
And networking while you do it.
There you go. Yeah.
Hey, shout out your teammates and your coach for me.
Well, yeah. Shout out to my man, Mr. Kimball, and then Hunter, Molly, and Emily. Yeah, I'm hoping we can get them to stay next year.
Absolutely, absolutely. What grade you in?
Right now, I'm a sophomore, so I still have 2 more years to go. So hoping we can do better next year.
Yeah. So what's the major headlines for you from this state meet?
I would say gotta watch out for those Dallas schools, man. I mean, it's gonna be a little bit tough. They're kind of unbeatable, but on a more serious note, I would say just kind of like gotta work on like my speed a little bit. I think that's definitely the biggest takeaway from the entire season in general. I just gotta be a little bit faster, a little bit quicker.
Hey, what happens in the off season, man? Start hitting the books, man. Start getting and see how you come back next year.
Yeah.
I got my eye on you, man, so I'll be paying attention.
Oh, thank you very much.
Anything else for us, Logan?
Well, congratulations to everyone who made state. First of all, that's a pretty big feat, and especially to everyone who won state. That's also an even bigger feat. So, yeah, you should definitely be proud of that, and that will help you a lot in the future. So, be proud. Just be proud.
Absolutely. Hey, I appreciate your energy, Logan, man. I'll be paying attention.
All right, thank you.
All right, buddy. All right. And Piyush Stud. Is Malik. Is that you, Piyush, or is that somebody else with a funny name?
Yep, that's me. I don't know who changed my nickname. Maybe it was Morris because he's a mod.
That's funny. Hey, yeah, you got cut off last time.
Yeah, my Wi-Fi connection was not the most stable, but I'm back now.
Great. Hey, and you deserve to be back. Like I say, I was so impressed. I really wanted to meet you, and so that you called in, I saw your name. I was so happy. So happy. So what else you got for us, man?
What was it?
What else you got for us? You got any final thoughts? Anything else you want to share?
Final thoughts. It was just a really fun UIL season. Like, the problems in number sense were, like, it kind of threw a bit of variety in. There was, like, on the back page of the number sense test, there were double integrals. That was kind of new. But, yeah, it was really fun UIL season overall. That's all I have to say, basically.
I'm glad you commented about tests. Guys like Director Larry White, they make it happen, and I'm sure he'll appreciate that comment on the number sense test.
Yeah. I thought it was fun. I thought these new questions were really fun. So I hope to see more of that in the future.
Great stuff, Piyush. Great stuff. Hey, remember, we're doing an interview.
Yep. If I'll set up an interview sometime.
Great. Especially during the summer when there's less stress.
Yeah.
All right, Piyush. I appreciate you. Thank you for your energy. I'm so impressed. Congratulations.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Cantu.
Hey, my pleasure. Thank you guys. For calling in. All right, guys. You all ready for computer science? Computer science. Let's finish this strong. I heard all the outcry about computer science, and so we're going to do computer science, man. And you know what? It's like doing the right thing, because computer science is worthy. All right, let's do this. But I'm not too familiar with the computer sciences. Even though I'm certified to teach computer science, I haven't really delved into the UIL computer science much. So I'm not so sure what is a good score, what's not a good score. So I'm going to lean on you guys when it comes to commentary time to tell me to shed some light on how outstanding these scores are, because I'm not too familiar with this with the computer science UIL test. All right, let's do this. And 1A.
I think something you should know is that the maximum score is 240.
Okay, that's a good thing to know. Yes.
Yeah. That's some helpful information to put into context the next few. Yeah.
So 240 is the maximum.
Yes, that's correct.
And now I got a question.
The same scoring as math.
Is this just the written, or they combine the written and the programming together to come up with this score?
So there's a written section and a programming section. The written section, 240 max for each individual. The programming section, it's as a team, and the max for a team is 720.
Oh, so the programming section only figures into the team result.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, and the written is where you get the individual state champions.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Great insight. Great insight. You know, our computer science teacher might be leaving, and I think I might be the only other guy certified, so I might be thrust into this role next year. So we'll see. We'll see. All right, let's do this. State champion, first place in 1A, Shelby Martin from Aspermont. Second place, Catherine Burns, Lenora Grady from Lenora Grady. Third place, Phoenix Parks from Mertzon, Irion County. Fourth place, Morgan Tubbs from Rankin. Fifth place, Reagan Davis from Slidell. And sixth place, Caden Brown from Slidell. And the team champion in 1A goes to Aspermont, beating Slidell. 2A, computer science. First place, Devin Cornett from Ozona. Second place, Kang Doan from San Augustine. Third place, Britton Nance from San Augustine. Fourth place, Audrey Upham from Ozona. Fifth place, Tommy Furman from Lindsay. And sixth place, Aiden Bittner from Olney. And the 2A state champion, San Augustine. Second place, Ozona. 3A computer science. A three-way tie for first place. Levi Johanan from Fort Worth Harmony Innovation. Newton Hartley from Fairfield. Abraham Hernandez from Universal City Randolph. In fourth place, Caden Nguyen from Mansfield Frontier. And then there's another three-way tie. Nathan Simpson from Gladewater Sabine. Samoda Pockrell from Fort Worth Harmony Innovation. And Natalie Sekulik from Mount Pleasant Chapel Hill. And the state champion in 3A, Fort Worth Harmony Innovation. Second place, Wall. All right. 4A, computer science. A tie for first place, Justin Wynn from Dallas Science Engineering. And Shrehan Bolini from Dallas Talented and Gifted. Third place, Raymond Arrington from Orange Little Cypress, Marisville. Fourth place, Alex Abear. Oh, actually, there's a three-way tie. There's a three-way tie here for third place. My bad. Raymond Arrington, Alex Abear from Lago Vista, and Christopher Chilek from Needville. And in sixth place, Valerius Petrini from Dallas Talented and Gifted. And the 4A state champion is Dallas Science Engineering, above Dallas Talented and Gifted. Boy, Dallas is really tough in this 4A classification. 5A, computer science. It's a 5-way tie for first place. Jackson DL from Joshua with a 240. Oh, there was perfect scores. 240, 242. 5 perfect scores in 5A. Jackson DL from Joshua. Ellison Zhu from Frisco Lebanon Trail. Joshua James from Lucas Lovejoy. Sahasrad Chippa from Frisco Lebanon Trail. And Samuel Zane from Corpus Christi Flower Bluff. And a 4-way tie for sixth place. Jaden Cox from Joshua. Keter Vinegar from Frisco Lebanon Trail. Xander Nguyen from Corpus Christi Flower Bluff. And Jeffrey Cutshaw from Corpus Christi Flower Bluff. Man, these 5A scores are outstanding. And the team for 5A goes to Frisco Lebanon Trail. That looks like an impressive score, but I'm not familiar with it. So. 6A. Whoa, wait a minute. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 first places? See, I'm not familiar with this computer science. Wow. 9 perfect scores. So, Randy Gu from Plano West, Aaron Zhao from Plano West, Warith from Allen, Anthony, that's you from Allen, Alex Zhang from Plano West, Carson Winter from Conroe Grand Oaks, Michael Zhang from Katy Seven Lakes, Anthony Lee from Katy Seven Lakes, and Srinivas Vadharaj from Round Rock McNeil. Wow, and the first place team goes to Katy Seven Lakes. Paul Stroud and company. Wow. So, gentlemen, Anthony, explain those scores to me.
Okay, so To put this in context, district computer science was really easy, and I think like something like 15 people in the state got a 240. They significantly ramped up the difficulty for region. Um, so I think I think like 5 people got 240s on that test. I might be wrong. I think it was somewhere between 5 and 10 on that region test. But at state, the test was easier than both district and region. Nobody really knows why they did that, but I do remember after the test, the testing room kind of went crazy because everyone knew like there were going to be like 10 240s in 6A for example. I think, I mean, if you look at the scores, like there are only 5 distinct scores in a competition where there are 23 people in 6A, which I think is kind of insane. Yeah, so basically bottom line, they just made the written section way too easy this time around.
Wow. And all this is Java, right?
Yes, it's Java.
All right, wow. Is this a very common occurrence? Like, were there this many ties last year?
No, not at all. In fact, last year the state test was by far the hardest test of the UIL season that year. And the highest score in 6A was a 234.
Wow.
And it had already dropped to like 220-ish by 6th place. Not at all like this year where there was a 9-way tie for 240. Yeah, so I think the difficulty was a bit off for a state test, but I mean, hey, it was pretty funny.
Hey, Anthony, tell me, is this computer science stuff beautiful? Do you really enjoy it? Is it good stuff?
Yeah.
All right. Good. I wanted to get somebody who does it. I wanted to get your perspective. You do it. Hey, Swam or Ricky, do you all do computer science?
I don't know.
No, okay. So I'll spare you the commentary. It's interesting. Hey, Anthony, thank God you're here. You gave us some great insight, some great commentary. I really appreciate that insight. Awesome. Hey, but it's true, man. We need to be doing computer science. Computer science is important. I think it's becoming more and more an essential skill, and it's expected that many people know how to program, man, if you want to empower yourself. So definitely, computer science. I'm happy that people encourage me to do it. So we included it, guys. All right, let's take one final look. Carson says, not normal for a state meet. Hey, Sahasrad is here. All right. 4 perfect a region. So hey, you know what? We do have an enthusiastic computer science bunch. So that makes me happy. One final look at the Discord. Holy cow! Wow, we got like a whole bunch of people. So let's get this going here. Let me move them to the live room. Nicholas, I'm gonna go one by one. Wait up. Let me get to Nicholas. Hey, Nicholas, hold on. Nicholas, you there? Oh, there's a lot of people got moved to the live room. Good. Somebody moving them. Good.
That's the collegiate team.
Oh, that's all the collegiate team right there? Is it Daniel, E? All right, so if you can show your cameras, it'd be nice. Otherwise, introduce yourselves. Nicholas, say hi. Nicholas, you're all on mute. All right, so are these all collegiate, Ricardo? Wait, Ricardo, you're on mute.
Oh, I have my mic muted. Nicholas, Daniel, Galilea, and Enrique are part of the collegiate team.
All right, Nicholas, Daniel, Galilea, and Nicholas. So that's a good bunch here. All right, so Nicholas, unmute yourself.
No, I'm from
Yeah, the GOAT. Where are you from?
Talented and Gifted, School for the Talented.
Oh, hey, you all did outstanding. You did outstanding.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hey, what's your name?
Shrihan.
Okay, it's the name right there. Hey, so can you show your camera?
It's not working right
Oh,
now.
no big
but
deal, no big deal.
I would want to show you the medal I got for CS, but yeah.
All right. Hey, so tell us, man, how was the state meet?
The state meet was dope. I got to meet a lot of people. Obviously, I got to spend time with the SCM people. You know, we see them every day walking in the hallways because, you know, we got the same building. We're in the same building.
Same building, man. That must be a lot of brain power walking those halls.
Yeah, man. Shout out to them. Shout out to Steven, Justin, Rohan, Yash. They're all a cool group of people. Yeah, and it's dope. The state meet was dope. You know, I got to meet a lot of people. I felt like the computer science test was a little easy, a little too easy actually. I mean, I'm not complaining. I got first, you know, I got 240, but even then, I felt like, you know, it should at least be a little bit harder to, like, you know, so you don't end up with like 16 people getting a, you know, 240. But
Yeah,
obviously, I don't want to like, you know, take away from anything like the test writers do. I appreciate them for like taking time out of their, you know, lives to make the CS test, and I'm not trying to, you know, bash them or anything.
Sure,
I'm just trying to, I just like criticize a little bit.
Hey, Shrihan, what grade are you in?
I'm a junior.
Oh, wow, so you'll be back.
Yeah, I'll be back next year, and basically all of our team will be back next year. Number sense, science, math, computer science. Basically, our whole team will be back next year. So.
All right. Hey, are you a solid member of the other teams too?
We do. I do math. I think I got 8th at state, which is, you know, I felt like the state math was much harder than, you know, district and region. But, well, it was similar to region, but it was definitely much harder than district. But, yeah.
Hey,
our number sense team did really well, though.
Yeah, you all are awesome, man. Dallas talented and gifted, and then I don't know how many times I said your school, and also, of course, science engineering magnet. You all are excellent. Did you shout out your coaches already?
No, I'll let me do that real quick. I would like to shout out our coach, Mr. Byrne. He takes a lot of time out of his day to grade the VCMs and send all those scores in, and he takes us to every meet, so shout out to him for that. I'd also like to shout out my teammates. Andrew Mead, he's the one who got me into UIL. He got second at number sense. I think you saw that.
Yeah.
But he's a really cool dude, really smart person. Tesla Tay, another one of my number sense teammates. He got 6. His improvement is insane. If you look at his scores from last year, he had like a 97. Like in number sense, and this year at state he got like a 215. So his improvement is insane. I also like to shout out Henry Charon. He's one of my CS teammates. He really like holds it down for us in programming. He does a lot of the work there. And another thing with him is he made this dope website called Project Sense, and that really helped our UIL number sense team this year, because he has like a bunch of tricks programmed in there. And basically, our whole number sense team uses that to practice, and you can see like the improvement in their scores, especially with the first place, like the first page.
Call out that page again. Hey, let everybody know. What's the website?
Project Sense. I can drop the link in the Discord later.
Yes.
But it's he's still working on it a little bit, but in the future, I'm sure he would love to talk to you about helping promote that and things like that.
Hey, let's do it. And Shrihan.
One final shout out I want to give is to Luca Diorso. He's not on any of our teams, but he's always been supporting me in UIL. And he had a couple circumstances this year that didn't allow him to be on our team, but you'll definitely see him next year. And I just want to shout him out for always showing support.
Hey, great stuff, Shrihan. I really like that. Hey, thank you for calling. I appreciate your energy. Hey, now you're on my radar. I'm going to be looking at your scores next year for sure.
Yeah. You might not want to look at my math scores.
Hey, well, you got a whole summer to work on
it. Yeah.
Great stuff, Shrihan. Great stuff. Anything else for us, or are we good?
I think we're good. Thank you for doing what you do, man.
Hey, thank you for calling in. I appreciate it. It's my pleasure. Take care.
Yeah, you too.
Hey, thank you. Ayaz Mustafa. Ayaz. How do you say your name, buddy? Ayaz. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Hey, I've encountered you at several meets this year. You came to my meet. I appreciate you, man. How you doing?
Doing all right. Here in CFISD, everything's been closed. Like for tomorrow, today, on Friday because of the storms.
Yes.
How's Pasadena?
Hey, we didn't get it that bad. We didn't get it that bad. Houston got it bad, but we were just out. They did close us down for one day. They did close it down. What school you at again? It's one of the Cypress schools, right?
The Cypress Ranch. It's
Cypress Ranch, yes.
Yeah, just on 290 around.
Yeah. So you all are still shut down over there?
Yep, because 13 schools still have power still, so.
Wow. How about you personally? You all come out okay?
Yeah, we only had 1 day of power outage. So.
All right. I'm glad you.
Not really lucky.
Hey, how was the state meet?
I have a lot of strong words for the new CS writer.
Oh, because, no, hey, be kind. What do you got to say?
Well, I got 10th place. I was in the 11-way tie for 232 at 6A. So, I mean, that test was really easy. There are a couple reasons. I think, in 2022 and below, there is a, you teach computer science, there's a data structure, there's an algorithms question. So whatever you learn in like a college level course, they would just add that on there. They removed those 2 questions, or not those 2 questions, those set of questions.
Yeah.
So the barrier got lower, which I guess is nice. But ever since then, there's been a lot more. The scores got increased drastically. So I don't like that. I don't like it because there's a joke in my club on our team. It's like, oh yeah, he's the one that always makes a silly mistake, which is true. I made a silly mistake at state. I saw it. I was like, one silly mistake. I got dropped from 1st place to a 10th place.
Hey, what grade are you, Ayaz?
Oh, I'm a senior. I'm graduating. This is my final meet.
Hey, what has UIL meant to you?
Oh man, it's been absolutely amazing because with that UIL, I wouldn't have gone to such a great school like UT. I wouldn't have gained the skills I have. Like I've become pretty good, like pretty top tier programmer, pretty top tier guy in computer science, and also without that I wouldn't have my math skills have increased because of computer science.
Awesome. Hey, you want to do a shout out to your teammates and coach?
Yeah, shout out to Mr. Hewlett. If he took that test, he would be state champion. If he took all his tests, he would be state champion. Yeah, he's like extremely. He's been with me this entire time. He came to me for Austin just for a 40-minute test.
Wow.
And then as soon as
Good stuff.
So like he's been with me, and he's I don't know. He does everything with us. So he also sponsors our math as well. So if in some ways, if you want to help him with math and he helps with computer science, I guess you could set that up with him. And shout out to Connor and Chinmay and Thomas. They're part of our CS team. So yeah,
great.
They couldn't make it this year, but they're extremely talented and they're extremely dedicated as well. They spend a lot of time on UIL. But yeah.
Great stuff, Ayaz. Hey, I want to say thank you because I know you've been active on the server for a while now, and you've been a very good sport, and it's very humorous when I see your interactions on the server. So it's some good stuff. And I've seen you at a couple of competitions. I like your energy. Hey, best of luck at UT.
Thank you.
Absolutely. You got anything else for us?
Nope.
Hey, appreciate you. Best of luck, and keep in touch, man. Stay on the server.
Yeah, I'll be there. Yeah.
All right, Ayaz. Take care, buddy. Take care. Thanks for calling in. All right. So, are the remaining guys the Mission Collegiate guys?
Yes, sir.
Daniel, Nicholas, Galilea, Alba, Enrique. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
All right.
Hello.
All right. So everybody's mic's working. Hey, show your camera if you'd like. Let's start with Enrique, man. You're a senior, right?
I'm a junior.
Oh, you're coming back. All right. So how was the year?
It was pretty good. mainly this year, my main focus has been on math. As I started taking calculus class, I think I've improved. It's like become one of my favorite, probably my favorite UIL out of the three. So.
All right, Daniel, say hi.
Hello.
What grade are you in, Daniel?
I'm a freshman.
Oh wow, great, young. How was this year? Was Ricardo a good mentor?
He was an incredible mentor, yeah.
Awesome. Galilea, you there? Oh, your mic's kind of breaking up on me. I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now. How you doing? What grade you in, Galilea?
I'm also a freshman.
Ooh, they got some young guys in Michigan. Hey, did you all come up through Kenneth White?
Yes.
Hey, I'm telling you, your brother, your Theo, Adrian Chapa, man, he's just giving you all kinds of talent going, man. Hey, how was your year this year, Galilea?
Main event is calculators, but I'm starting to get better at mine.
All right. Hey, Nicholas.
Yes.
Say hi.
Hello.
Hey, you're incredibly powerful. Hey, what's this team going to do without your brother on the team next year? Tell me about this team next year.
So it's definitely going to be a lot tougher without Ricky's score. But I'm going to try to kind of like this place his score. I'm going to try to improve them more in like all areas. I'm also going to try and coach the team more. But, it's definitely going to be tough also because I know Sabine, most of their people are still going to be here next year. So I need to really compete with their scores also.
Oh, yeah, they're not going to get any weaker, man. The Keith Taylor, Sabine, Gladewater, they go strong, man. They're not going to get any weaker, so y'all got to step up.
Yeah, and so I'm hoping that this summer, something we could do again that we did last summer was a little math summer camp for UIL.
Okay.
To help train the incoming freshmen.
All right. Who's going to lead it?
I'm going to try to lead it. I'm hoping also Ricky might also help if he doesn't go to college by then.
All right. Cool. Hey, you want to do a shout out to your coaches and to any other teammates?
Yeah, I'd like to shout out to Mr. Delgado, our coach. Unfortunately, he could not be with us at UIL State because he got sick, but I appreciate all the work he does in coaching us. I'd also like to shout out our teammates Ivan, Hasiel, Abby, and Jacob Brown.
All right. Hey, this seems like a new generation, Ricky. Is this a new generation of guys? Because I remember doing a team interview with you all. We got a whole brand new cast of characters right here.
Yeah, we've got a lot of freshmen this year. Though I will make one brief correction. So I know he joined in the last live stream, this Jacob Brown character.
Yeah.
He does not go to our school. I have no idea who that is.
Oh my God. Misrepresenting. Oh my God. I got played. Oh well, it happens. Hey, Nicholas.
He's an honorary member.
Yeah.
Oh, an honorary member. Okay. Well, he had good things to say about you all. Oh, but he does go to Mission Collegiate.
Oh no, I have no idea who that is.
That's funny. Hey, so Mission Collegiate team. Anybody else got anything to say? How y'all doing? Everything good? I appreciate.
It's gonna be tough to pick up Ricky's slack for next year.
Hey, you better work hard this summer.
Yeah, I will. Even my summer's gonna be jam packed this year.
All right. Hey, you set the bar high, Ricky. You set the bar very high, man. So I hope these guys can live up to your example. All right.
I have no doubt that they will.
All right, Mission Collegiate, congratulations on a fine year. And it looks like y'all are not going to go anywhere anytime soon. Y'all going to be strong for years to come.
Hey, we're proud.
All right, guys. So I appreciate you guys, all right?
Thank you.
Hey, take care. Take care, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey, I got a whole bunch of more people in the waiting. I got 3 more people. These 3 people, and then we'll call it a wrap. So let me get these guys.
Thank you for having me, sir.
Huh?
Thank you for having me, man.
Hey, of course. Shreehan, thank you for calling in. I appreciate you, buddy. Take care.
Yeah, and I think someone you should try to talk to is Andrew Mead, because he did a really good job of turning our team around. Because if you look, I think in the past, Tag actually had never qualified for number sense or even math before, and like with him as president, I think it's the first time as a team qualifying for number sense and math.
Hey, Shreehan, let's get the whole team on here. Let's get the whole team on here. Y'all did great. Y'all are a top contender. You're a powerhouse school. I mean, science engineering was just outstanding, but you all were outstanding too. You all were outstanding. Let's get the whole team. Let's do a team interview and talk about next year and talk about how the impact UIL has had on y'all. So let's get the whole team on here.
Yeah, I'll definitely try to reach out to you over the summer or something like that. So.
Hey, I look forward to it. Let's do it. Let's do it, Shreehan. Thanks for calling, buddy.
Yep, you too. Shreehan, by the way.
Shreehan, sorry about that. Shreehan.
You're good.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, W. Who am I talking to?
Hello.
Yes. Are you part of the Seven Lakes group?
Yes.
Oh, let me get a Magic Card back in here. And is Mustela part of the Seven Lakes?
Yes, he's Tony.
Oh, okay. Let me get him into the live. Oops. My mouse is not cooperating. Hold on, let me get it. Okay.
That's Texas nothing. When's the
Here we go. All right, gentlemen. The Seven Lakes group. Are you all seniors?
I'm a senior. Everyone else is a junior.
Oh, okay. So we got some guys coming back from Seven Lakes.
Yep.
All right. You all want to show your cameras?
I'm on the car right now, and it's kind of dark, so I'm not sure about that.
No problem. Hey, Michael Zhang. What an outstanding UIO career. You there, Michael?
Unfortunately, I can't do it next year.
Well, did you enjoy the journey?
Absolutely, definitely, yeah.
Hey, Top Gun. They can never take Top Gun away from you, man. Top Gun.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I was so impressed with y'all. Y'all came from nowhere last year to become state champions. Hey, PSGA was just incredible at the state meet this year.
Oh, that was something else.
Yeah, they were just great. It's great. Hey, and these 2 other gentlemen, who's with us on this call?
Victor.
Victor and Anthony. Okay, Victor and Anthony. And you all are juniors?
Yeah.
Hey, Victor, what events do you do?
Computer science, and I do math this year.
Okay, cool. And you're going to come back strong next year?
Yeah.
No, you're being drafted for other math events.
Hey, did you all come from Beckendorf?
I think
we all did, right? Oh.
No, Victor did not.
Okay. Anthony, what events do you do?
So the previous 2 years, I did math and number sense and computer science, but then this year I just focused on computer science.
Okay, and how'd you do at state?
Oh, we won, so.
Hey,
yeah,
Paul Stroud. Hey, Paul Stroud, the coach?
Yeah.
You know he's legendary, right?
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Are you going to be recruited into other UIL events too?
He's been drafted.
Tony, you're doing math next year.
Hey,
we'll see about that.
Was Michael a good mentor?
Yeah.
Awesome. Hey, Michael, senior, would you like to do a final shout out to those around you?
Sure. Shout out to the rest of the calculator team, Rohan, Ayush, and Aiden. That's those are our best buddies. last year we only did calculator. This year we did a bunch of other stuff. Spelling and calculator, spelling and math included. Shout out to our coach, Mr. Andrews, also Paul Stroud for driving us there, taking care of us. We really couldn't have done it without him.
All right. Hey, and how's 7 Lakes going to be next year? Are these two gentlemen in the room? Are they going to be repping?
About that, I'm not. Here's the thing about next year, right? So me and Victor are obviously going to be back. But that third person, right? That third person, you just have to find the right third person, and then we're gonna take off from there. But that third person is kind of hard to find these days.
Hey, I hear you, baby. Don't you got these Beckendorf kids coming up?
Yeah, we do. So there are a lot to choose from. So we'll do our best in finding and choosing the right one.
Hey, 7 Lakes is on your shoulders now. Michael Jang and Rohan and all these other guys, they did a great job. They brought a state championship to 7 Lakes. Now it's on you guys. Is that too much pressure? Hey,
Alan had this pressure. Alan had this pressure last year, but they yeah. Hopefully you can repeat, because I remember like the Buffalo Bills, they lost in the Super Bowl once, and then they came back or not the Buffalo Bills, but another team. They lost, and then they came back and won 2 in a row. So hopefully that's us. We lost to Allen by 1 point last year, and this year we won. Just looking for the same thing next year.
Okay. Yeah. You're talking about computer science. Yes. Good stuff. All right, gentlemen. Y'all got anything else for me? Seven Lakes. Anything else?
Watch out for us next year. We're gonna find a good third person.
All right. Well, I'll be paying attention.
Really, rising talent. His name is Fiki.
Yeah, we should watch out for him.
Okay. Hey, I'm in the area, so I go to your UILA release. I'll be paying attention to your scores. I'll be seeing you. Hey, when you guys see me at the UILA release that y'all do every year, say hi to me.
Yeah, all right.
Sounds good.
All right, 7 Lakes, man. Thank you for calling. Appreciate you guys. Take care.
All right, thank you.
All right, one final round, guys. I got some more guys in the waiting room. The one final round, and then we're going to close it out. So let me move these guys to the live. One final round, and then we're going to close it out. Because it's getting a little bit long. And Diego. Give me a second, Diego. Let me move you. All right.
Yo, what's good?
How's it going? Y'all want to show your cameras?
What's up?
Hey, so where y'all from?
We from 3 Rivers.
3 Rivers?
Yes, sir.
Really? What are your names?
Jonathan.
And?
Mario
and?
Diego.
And Diego. Hey, y'all did pretty good.
Safe now. We did all right.
We did. Not our best, not even close to our best.
Hey, so what place did y'all get?
We got second in math and calculator.
Hey, that's not bad, man. What was this in 2A, 3A?
Oh, 2A.
Yeah, 2A.
Latexo.
Oh, okay, yeah, Latexo, man. It's hard to beat Latexo, man. Come on, they're pretty.
But we were close in calculator.
We were pretty close, I guess.
Hey, they're vulnerable in calculator next year, by the way.
Oh, yeah, that's what the coach said.
They're vulnerable. And what grade are you guys in?
We all sophomores.
Oh, y'all are young. So 3 Rivers, sophomores. I'm going to be paying attention to you guys, man, because I think y'all got a real shot next year, because Latexo is vulnerable in calculator for sure.
Yes, sir.
Are y'all just going to let them have math again?
Nah. We ain't letting that slide. We coming back 250s.
So y'all going to work hard this summer?
Yes, sir.
8 hours a day. Non-stop.
Hey, do y'all want to do a shout out to your fellow classmates and to your coach?
Yes, sir. Shout out to my boy, Mr. Khan. He's the GOAT.
Yeah,
and also, Mr. Hernandez, he's the GOAT as well.
Yeah. Yo.
All right, gentlemen. So only sophomores, second place at state. You're on my radar now. I'm going to be paying attention to you guys.
Yes, sir.
Great. Hey, y'all got anything else for me?
Nah, I think that's it.
Hey, gentlemen, thanks for calling. I'm so happy you called in. I'm going to be paying attention to you guys. Best of luck. Work hard. Hey, y'all win that state championship. We'll do a team interview.
Oh,
all right. Hey, I'm putting it out there right now. You all win state next year. We'll do a team interview.
Yeah, so get that interview ready because we're coming for it all.
All right. So work hard, guys. Hey, I appreciate you guys. You take care, okay?
You too. Peace out.
All right. Peace out. All right, guys. I like the energy. It's been going on for a good while. Let's see. Did I lose my Zoom, guys? Oh, you're back. All right, gentlemen. A lot of input today. I like it. A lot of input. A lot of people calling in. It did drag on a little bit, but a lot of input. A lot of great energy. Starting with you guys. Swam, Anthony, Ricky. You all are seniors. I want you to say a final farewell because you've been great for UIL. You all are, state champions, Ricky and Anthony. Swam, you dominated Class 3A, Class 5A, Region 3. You dominated our region. And so, guys, say some final words, some parting words to the UIL community for me. Ricky.
So, I'd like to give a few shout-outs. Sorry, I'm a bit sick. So, first, I want to shout out my teammates. Nicholas, Juliet, Galilea, Gabby, Abby, Jonathan, Daniel, Enrique, Ivan, and Hasiel. I wrote them down just so I won't forget. Shout out my coaches, Mr. Delgado, who's been our coach this last year for all 3 math events. Mr. Bautista, our UIL coordinator. Mr. Chapa, our K-White junior high math coach. Coached most of the members on our team. And last but not least, I'd like to thank Peter Fuentes for really pushing us this year. Not just this year, but really being our main, source of information, bringing in all of these people together from Sherryland and Sherryland Science Academy and a few other schools that I'm blanking out right now, but we're just cultivating this amazing math community here in the Valley. And I guess some final words on UIL. It's meant everything to me. I think it's what got me here to MIT, and it's been just the best experience of my academic career. So very thankful for all the people I've met, and I wish any incoming freshman who's just starting UIL, or even if you're just a senior starting UIL, the best of luck for the rest of your journey, and enjoy it while you can.
Awesome. Ricky, you've been a class act, multiple time state champion. I have nothing but well wishes and good wishes for you at MIT. Show them how it's done. Stay connected through the server, and I appreciate you, buddy. How about you, Anthony? UIL's impact on you? Some final words?
Yeah, so, I'd first like to give a few shout-outs to my teammates, Eric, Blake, Warren, Stalking, and who else was okay, I'm definitely Eric, Warren, Blake, Stalking, and then I feel like there's someone I'm forgetting. Okay, maybe I didn't forget anyone, or maybe I'm just making a fool out of myself right now. But that aside, I'd really like to thank them for making UAL an incredible experience for me, and especially Warren. He was always there for me. So when I started taking UAL more seriously, at the beginning of my senior year. I actually discovered this server, the Texas Math Mundo Discord server. Shout out to Aryaman Sinha from Rock Hill High School for introducing me to that. But I think after I got to know a few people on here, I picked up on a lot of stuff that I was just not aware about beforehand. For example, I didn't even know, I didn't even do the crunchers first, like on calculator, nor did I know that anyone used the HP35, like, seriously. So, I mean, when Ty Schaller told me, she could do the crunchers in 8 minutes, I was really shocked. But, I mean, that summer I grinded a lot, and, I mean, I kept improving, and I think I can credit my win in calculator. A large part of it was due to this server, being introduced to this server. So I think the UIL community has really given back to me. I think it's been a blast. I've been doing UIL for 4 years now in high school, 2 years for middle school TMSCA. It's just been an absolute blast getting to know everyone. It's been a great time. I had a really fun time at the state meet. And, okay, continuing my shout outs. Our sponsors, we have a lot of UIL sponsors. Miss Gesh, from my freshman and sophomore years, Miss Turk, Mr. Rush. Those are all people who supported Allen Academic UIL for a good amount of time, and I really appreciate them.
Great stuff. Great stuff, Anthony. And you are a state champion. You etched your name in the history books. State champion. It's all paid off. Congratulations, and thanks for hosting tonight.
I'm so sorry. I just remembered who I forgot. I forgot Zafir Nassim on our computer science team. Wow, I am so sorry, Zafir. I was just thinking about the stems, like the TMSEA subjects. I'm so sorry, but I mean, shout out Zafir again. Yeah.
All right, Anthony. Good stuff. Good stuff, Anthony. Good stuff. Swam.
But yeah, I'd like to shout out to my teammates, to my coach, Mr. Kang, for being there the entire way, for coaching me through, teaching me about, introducing me to high school UIL and TMSCA, which is completely different than middle school. The jump was crazy because we didn't have TMSCA, we just had UIL. And then he also helped me for all that. And then I'd like to thank everyone in the server, which Cody and Ty, who I hung out with a lot at state. And Ty for staying up with me, teaching me parametric conics at 2 in the morning. And Cody for showing us that he could finish Emerson's test in 6 minutes. And yeah, the server is just a lot of great people. I met the first time that I met someone outside of my school was last year at state when I sat next to Anthony in math. And that's how I also met Anthony in Worth, and that's when I joined the server too.
Awesome. It makes me feel good. Hey, stay connected. Stay on the server. Stay connected. You can help out new generations that come into it, and it's a wonderful community that's developed, and you all are part of that, and you all are such great members, and so I really appreciate your contribution. Anything else, Wham? Good. Hey, you've dominated Region 3, Class 5A these past few years, but now you're all going to 6A. I wonder how Goose Creek will do. We'll see.
Yeah.
Hey, let me do a quick shameless shout out. October 26th, Pasadena's having a tournament. October 26th. If you're within driving range, come on over. We'll have a good time. Guys, it's been a wonderful year. 2024, it's a wrap. Hey, if you're a state champion, I want to tell you a story. Every story is unique. I enjoy putting the focus and the light on people who deserve it. You all are the real studs, and I appreciate you guys. Gentlemen, thank you for hosting. It's been a great year, and farewell to everybody. Farewell to everybody. All right. And thanks, everybody, and we're going to go ahead and stop the stream. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Next year, we'll go